Welcome to UnboxPulse, your one-stop destination for unboxing new and exciting products. As we begin this journey, we're treating you to a montage of electrifying unboxing moments. You can almost feel the anticipation and joy in the air as we unwrap the latest tech gadgets, trendy clothes, and sports gear. The thrill of unwrapping a brand new gadget, the gleam, the untouched screen, the power it promises. The trendiest garments fresh from their packaging, their colors and patterns waiting to be admired. The exhilaration as we reveal the latest gear for both indoor and outdoor sports. And finally, the magic that awaits as we unbox some handy kitchen accessories. This montage is but a glimpse of the unboxing adventure that lies ahead. So stay tuned, as every box opened is a new adventure, a new story waiting to be discovered.